Kapamilya singer Darren Espanto is now officially one of the hosts of noontime show, It's Showtime. Darren was present at the contract signing of the noontime show and GMA early this week. In a report by ABS-CBN News, Darren said he's thrilled to join the show, especially he was introduced during the signing. "Sobra yung hard launch ko. Dito pa talaga sa GMA network," he said. "So ayun. Nakakakilabot. It's official. I'm part of the Showtime family na talaga. So wala nang atrasan ito, totoo na siya," he added. When asked how he will keep up with his co-hosts in the show, Darren said, "Very welcoming naman po sila. Hindi po nila pinaparamdam sa akin na dapat kinakabahan ako. Dapat ganito yung pag-host. They just let me do my thing. And even off-cam, parang pamilya lang din. That's why it was easier for me to be able to connect with them and give with them."